Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Within 4 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to destroy a database you created on render.com and then build a new one. I am Gabriel Chikwendunwof, okay, and I'm known as Gabitech. Now let us scroll down to the down end here. We'll see where we click on delete database. I'm in the PostgreSQL in the render.com dashboard, so I click on delete database. I'm told to type this. I would rather copy it into this space here and then click on delete database. Now the database is deleted, it's no longer here. Now let us begin by clicking here on create new PostgreSQL. Now the name I would want to use, I would like to use a similar name to what I had before. Now in this case, I'm going to use 001. So CSE 340 Gabitech 001 is what I'm going to use here. Now we'll copy it to these spaces here so that I will use this. Now let me leave this on free tier, then click on create database. Let's go to the pgAdmin so that we'll remove this database that I linked here, the server that was created. So let me remove this one first before creating another one. So remove server. So now I will right click here, register server. Then the name I want to give it is let's say answers render 001. Connection parameters for here, I will change it from prefer to require. For the connection, I'm going to copy what I had from the render.com. So I'll get the password from here and external database URL. So it is this URL that I will use to link it. I'll click here to paste it, then remove from this part to the 001, then go to home, from the beginning remove this part too, so that I will leave it with what you are seeing here. Now I would like to save password, so I'll go back to this place to get this password. Alright, then paste it here. Now this database is ready to, this server is ready to be created, and I save it. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, our server render 001 is ready. Endeavor to subscribe to this channel for more. But then let's see how we connect the database that was created in the previous server, which here I will load it by going to the query tool. Let's wait for it to open. Alright, so I click on this open folder to get the file, the SQL file that was here, database. It opens, then I run it. You will see that 15 rows have been created. Let me also open the second one that updates this table. So this is it, and once I run it, it will update the rows. Alright, so thank you for paying attention. Endeavor to subscribe to this channel. Ciao.